You can make as many YouTube videos as you want. You can put out as much social media posts and everything like that, but you are not going to retain or maintain some retention of your audience or your followers if you don't kind of start putting out some messaging or make them feel engaged or involved in what you're doing or saying. So when we put out videos, we don't just do it for the sake of it. We try and find out what are the pinch points, what are the things that people are asking or struggling with so that they would want to come and learn and watch. And the same with our social media as well. We don't just say, hey, come and buy our services. No, how can we help you? What are the problems you're having? So when you're thinking about your social media, or if you are starting to produce videos, think about your content and why anyone would give a damn about watching them.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?